Hey everybody, Chris here from Protocase with another Proto Tech Tip, and today I'm going to give you a rundown of our ordering process and how you can use my account to track your orders. Here at Protocase, we help you to keep innovating and meeting your critical project deadlines by making your custom parts and enclosures in 2 to 3 days. Now when I say 2 to 3 days, that's the time to build your parts. But before that can happen, there's some key steps in the ordering process, so let's go through them. The first step in getting your designs manufactured is to know how much they are going to cost. If you're using Protocase Designer, you can use the instant quote feature in the software to quote your design. Now if you're using other CAD software to create your design, you can use our website's RFQ form, Request for Quote, in order to submit your design to be priced. Our engineering and design services team will assess your design to provide an accurate price quote. Your Protocase account manager is always ready to help too via phone or email. We've linked to a Proto Tech Tip about the quoting process, so check that out in the description below. So once you're good to order your design, you're going to let your account manager know, or you can always use Protocase Designer to submit your order as well. Once you confirm that you want to order, our engineering and design services team is going to process your design. A member of that group is going to take your design file and prep it so that we can manufacture it. There may be slight adjustments that need to be made in terms of material thickness, bend radii, and more. So once this process is complete, you're going to be emailed by the engineering and design services team member who worked on your design. This email is going to contain the same file type as you sent us initially, plus a link to download e-drawings, which enables you to view your parts and enclosures in a 3D space. E-drawings gives you the ability to inspect every aspect of your design. You can and should verify dimensions, view the part or enclosure from all angles, view section cutaways to inspect the inside, and disassemble the enclosure to view each part that makes up the assembly. So once you approve your design, your order is going to move to the build sheet process, and that's where an engineering and design services team member is going to take that approved design and then create work instructions for our production team. This ensures that our team manufactures the design as you approved it. Once the build sheets are complete, your order is queued up for our production team. Then we make your design vision a reality by building your parts and enclosures. And the final step of this process is going to be shipping your parts and enclosures straight to your door. Now if you want a high-level view of your current orders at Protocase, you should register for my account. Using this portal, you can submit reorders quickly and easily any time of the day and schedule your blanket order releases. But you can also check the status on a current order and where it is in the ordering process. For instance, for this order that I submitted today, I can see that it's in the submitted status. Once a member of the engineering team has assessed the file and prepared the e-drawing status will turn to blue with a check mark. That means that I know I need to check my email for the e-drawing link. So once I've approved my e-drawing, the engineering and design services team will create the build sheets. Once the in production status turns blue, my order is in production. From here, I will see the order ship status turn blue once it has left our facility. You're also going to find a tracking number for your order here as well. My account is free and available to all Protocase customers, so I suggest you go to protocase.com/myaccount now and get registered. If you run into any issues, your Protocase account manager is always there to help. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this week's Proto Tech Tip. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you back here again next week.